Okay, as you can see, I gave it enough time and the code is not running perfectly. Okay, what shall we do? We have a problem that we want to store all the comment of a YouTube video and we don't know what. But it gives us a hint that YouTube API and the Google application library to access the YouTube data API. We must use them. Okay, let's go. We have some codes that's running perfectly and is already running. Let me just stop it for now. Okay, we stop it. This is the code I found. Where I found it? I found it on the GitHub. Someone back write it and we are now going to learn and use it. Okay, I say to you, the programming is not about learning all the things. It's about the using the codes that someone else write. Look at this line of code as a function. All the thing we need is to learn how to use it. I find it on the GitHub. Okay, let's learn how to use it. In the first line, it's import some library. The thing is important for us is now to install this library. In our program, we installed it. Okay, then say replace with your API key. What is API key? For example, think about this. We don't know what is API key is. We search how to get our YouTube API key. Create a new Google API, create a Google API project, name your project, and confirm your action. Okay, one of the things we should do, we should get API key. That's easy. We cover it in the next lesson. And then what we need is video ID. We don't know, for example, what video ID is. How to get YouTube video ID. Okay, it said the video ID is here. For example, this is the video ID. Everything after this equals. Now we learn how to get video IDs. And it don't want anything else from us. This line of codes, they are doing to, let's see what they are going to do. Build the service object for the YouTube API, retrieve YouTube video result, iterate through each response and fetch comment and replies. Check if there are replies to the comment. Check if there is a next page of comment. If we want to be no reply, we can delete this line of code or something else. Let me delete this line of code. For example, I cut it and then run it. Now, as you can see, it don't give us the replies. Okay. Now we understand a little about what our code doing. You can see it's really easy. We can learn and export all the comments of a video and use it for our own view. What we are going to use them? I want to create a database based on them. What I want to do is that I want to go, for example, for example, I want to go one of the YouTubers and export all of his comments and create a database. And then what I use this database for? Let's say I am going to give him a hint about how to improve our videos based on the reviews. Okay, I tell you more about this in the next lesson. Until then, let's go and see how to get API key in the next lesson. Have a good time and don't forget I do all the things in the coding lessons and don't do anything in out the courses. Because of that, some lessons are like I am confused and don't know what to do, because I want you to learn how to write your program, don't not how to learn some comment or some algorithm. I want you to be a programmer, not some kind of idiots like monkeys that only look for the codes and write what they teach. I want you to be creative and create something.